Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Sundays are my reset days, the time I carve out to get intentional, map out my week, and clear my head so I can actually enjoy my Monday instead of dreading it. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my Sunday planning ritual that helps me stay focused, productive, and stress-free. I like to start simple: a calm environment, a fresh cup of coffee, maybe even light a candle. It sets the tone and reminds me this is me time to prep for the week, not just another chore that I have to do in my life. Step 1, I brain dump. This is something that I'm sure you've seen before, but I literally just write down everything that is on my mind. Deadlines, appointments, family commitments, and I usually add in ideas later in the week. But I do it a little bit different than you see, where people just write everything down in one page, in one category. I actually break it down into personal, business, family. As you can see here, I break it into my marketing agency, my planner brand, my lash brand, my YouTube channel, family, and important dates. I also highlight priorities, because if everything is important, then nothing is important. Next, I time block. I transfer all the must-dos into my digital planner, or for this week, my paper planner, blocking out certain days for meetings, content shoots, etc. Then I leave space for flexibility because, life happens. Then I set my top 3 priorities for the week. No more, no less. These are the things that if nothing else in the entire week gets done, I'll still feel accomplished and successful. Keeping it at 3 helps me be realistic, but also stay focused. And of course, I also add in the extras. Cue the colored pens, the highlighters, the colored Post-its. This really just helps me be able to see everything at a glance quickly. For example, I look down and I see a lot of pink. I know that the week is going to be very heavy in my beauty business. I look down and I see a lot of green. That will make me really happy because that is family or my son, etc. So I do love to color coordinate and color code. I do this in my digital planner, I do this in my paper planner, and I also do this in my brain dump most of the time. However, if I'm in a big rush and I do need to do a brain dump, because I do one every single week, I can't say that 100% of the time it's color coordinated, but I know that when I do color coordinate it, I am more productive, and I really just know what's going on in the week and what is super heavy in that week. And then obviously you can look back and you can make tweaks to what you're doing too much of or too little of. Let's say you want to grow your business and it's color coded in pink, and you only have one thing on your brain dump or one thing in your weekly schedule that is pink. Well, for the next week that you need to focus more on that. Same if you want to spend time more with your family, more in nature, things like that. Color coding will definitely help you see that very quickly. And that's it. In under 1 hour, I go from scattered and overwhelmed to calm and to clear. My Sunday planning ritual is my way of starting the week with intention, and it honestly has become a game changer for my productivity and my peace of mind. If this inspired you, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more productivity tips, planning routines, and behind the scenes of running multiple businesses. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you always do to prep for your week ahead? I'd love to hear your rituals. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time real soon. Bye!